Welcome to the stunning southeastern coast of Oahu. Visitors from all over the world come to this stretch of coastline that has some of the coolest landscapes, powerful waves, and hidden gems. Today we're exploring Sandy Beach, Halona Blowhole, Halona Beach Cove, the Lana'I Lookout, Kaloko Beach, and Allen Davis Beach. So as always, first let's dive into a little history. This stretch of coastline is called the Kaiwi Coast, which translates to the bone. This could be referencing the physical rocky skeletal look as a landmark, or it could represent cultural ancestral significance as bones were considered sacred. In Hawaiian tradition, such a name might also suggest a place infused with mana, the spiritual power tied to both the land and its ancestors. One of the most famous features here is the Halona Blowhole. This natural wonder was formed when lava tubes from ancient eruptions hardened and left behind a small opening. When ocean waves push through the tube, water erupts dramatically, sometimes reaching up to 30 feet in the air. On windy days especially, it's quite a sight. Just around the corner is Halona Beach Cove, also known as the From Here to Eternity Beach, named after the famous 1953 Hollywood movie, as well as Whitecap Bay from Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides. Halona means fortunate in Hawaiian, and it's a small tucked-away cove with turquoise water, perfect for a scenic stop, but can be dangerous if the currents are strong. Up the road is the Lana'I Lookout, a cliffside viewpoint named for its distant view of the island of Lanai on clear days. The unique rock formations are layers of volcanic ash and basalt, sculpted by wind and water over thousands of years. It's a great spot for watching the sunrise, and during the winter months, you might even see humpback whales passing by. Now let's talk about Sandy Beach, one of Oahu's most powerful shore breaks, nicknamed Brokeneck Beach by locals. This spot is notorious for its heavy waves and strong currents. Follow Sandy Beach Surf Report on Instagram as they show what happens when tourists try to swim here and use the phrase, safer beaches down the road, because this is not a swimming beach. This is a beach where you will see more local bodyboarders than surfers, and where they come to test their skills in the shore break. These guys have some talent, and you'll also see some nice wipeouts. And the sand at Sandy Beach is, well, sandy. Kaloko Beach is a lesser-known spot featuring tide pools and small sandy patches. It's a peaceful escape from the more crowded beaches, and on calm days you can explore the shallow waters filled with tiny fish and crabs. You'll notice the sand here has sections of finely ground volcanic rock. Our last stop is Allen Davis Beach, a hidden gem near the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail. This beach, while requiring a short half-mile walking trail, is known for its calm waters, great snorkeling, cool tide pools, and a great spot to jump off the rocks into the water. From thrilling waves to hidden tide pools, Oahu's southeastern coastline is a place you don't want to miss. Mahalo for watching, and until next time, aloha.